Introducing the Kitchen Crop 4-piece accessory kit designed to fit the VKP250 Johnny Applesauce Maker Food Strainer. This convenient kit equips you to strain a wide variety of fruits and vegetables with ease. It includes a berry screen, pumpkin screen, salsa screen, and a grape spiral, helping you achieve the perfect consistency for your sauces and purees. The berry screen features a fine mesh, ideal for berries and other fruits with small seeds. The pumpkin screen has a coarse mesh, perfect for processing gourds and similar produce. The salsa screen offers an extra coarse mesh for a chunkier, more natural texture. The grape spiral is specially designed to handle fruits and vegetables with larger seeds or thicker skins, providing more room for waste. Maximize the potential of your VKP250 Food Strainer with this versatile set. Whether you're making jams, salsas, or baby food, you'll find endless ways to use this kit in your kitchen. Get yours today and take your home food processing to the next level.